Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Privacy Program Maintenance Strategies. Maintaining a robust privacy program is critical for organizations to ensure compliance with privacy regulations, protect sensitive data, and build trust with stakeholders. Privacy program maintenance strategies encompass a variety of actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that professionals can implement directly to address real-world challenges. These strategies are essential for ensuring that privacy programs remain effective over time, adapting to new threats, regulations, and business needs. One of the primary strategies for maintaining a privacy program is establishing a strong governance framework. This involves setting up a privacy governance structure that delineates roles and responsibilities, provides oversight, and ensures accountability within the organization. A practical tool for this is the RACI matrix, which helps clarify who is responsible for various privacy-related tasks. By defining roles clearly, organizations can prevent overlaps and gaps in privacy management, ensuring that every aspect of the privacy program is monitored and maintained. Another essential aspect of privacy program maintenance is conducting regular privacy risk assessments. These assessments help identify potential threats to personal data and evaluate the effectiveness of existing controls. A widely used framework for risk assessment is the NIST Privacy Framework, which provides guidelines for assessing privacy risks and implementing appropriate mitigations. By applying this framework, organizations can systematically evaluate their privacy posture and make informed decisions about where to allocate resources for improvement. Once risks have been identified, organizations need to implement and maintain privacy controls. These controls may include technical measures such as encryption and access controls, as well as organizational measures like privacy policies and training programs. The ISO/IEC 27701 standard offers a comprehensive set of guidelines for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving a privacy information management system. By following these guidelines, organizations can ensure that their privacy controls are aligned with international best practices and are regularly updated to address emerging threats. Continuous monitoring and auditing are crucial components of privacy program maintenance. Regular audits help verify that privacy controls are functioning as intended and that the organization remains compliant with relevant regulations. The use of automated monitoring tools can enhance this process by providing real-time insights into data flows and identifying potential compliance issues. For instance, data loss prevention tools can monitor data transfers and alert privacy managers to unauthorized activities, allowing for prompt corrective action. Training and awareness programs are another vital element of maintaining a privacy program. Employees must be educated about their roles in protecting personal data and adhering to privacy policies. Organizations can implement e-learning platforms and workshops to ensure that staff are aware of privacy risks and understand how to handle personal data securely. Studies have shown that regular training can significantly reduce the likelihood of data breaches caused by human error. Finally, it is essential to foster a culture of privacy within the organization. This involves integrating privacy considerations into the organization's values, encouraging open communication about privacy issues, and recognizing employees who demonstrate exemplary privacy practices. A culture of privacy not only supports compliance efforts, but also enhances the organization's reputation and customer trust. In conclusion, maintaining a privacy program requires a multifaceted approach that includes governance, risk assessment, control implementation, monitoring, training, and fostering a privacy culture. By leveraging frameworks such as the RACI matrix, NIST Privacy Framework, and ISO/IEC 27701, organizations can ensure their privacy programs are robust and adaptable to changing conditions. Regular audits and training further reinforce privacy practices, reducing risks and promoting a culture of privacy awareness. As privacy concerns and regulations continue to evolve, these strategies will be indispensable for organizations striving to protect personal data and maintain stakeholder trust. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.